Have you ever struggled with red, itchy, or swollen eyelids? Then you know how frustrating it can be. But what if I told you there are simple, effective home remedies that can help alleviate your symptoms and improve your eye health? My name is Dr. John Legarreta, board certified ophthalmologist, and in this video, I'm going to explore 4 proven home remedies for treating blepharitis. You'll learn how to use warm compresses, the right way to scrub your eyelids, and the power of omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. These tips are not only easy to follow, but can make a real difference in your daily life. Imagine waking up with clear, comfortable eyes every morning. Imagine the confidence you'll feel knowing you have control over your eye health. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools you need to know to manage blepharitis effectively at home. So if you're ready to take charge of your eye health, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Dealing with blepharitis can be incredibly frustrating, but what if I told you there's a simple, soothing solution you can try right at home? Introducing the warm compress. This easy, effective remedy can provide immediate relief by loosening the crust and scales on your eyelids and improving oil secretion from the glands. Imagine the comforting warmth easing your symptoms and making your eyes feel refreshed. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your daily comfort. So here's how you do it. Soak a clean washcloth in warm water, wring out the excess water, and place it over your closed eyelids for about 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat this several times a day for the best results. Just make sure the water isn't too hot to avoid burns. And here's a pro tip. For an even more convenient option, consider using a warm compress mask like the Bruder eye mask. These masks are designed to retain heat longer and provide consistent warmth to your eyelids. Simply heat the mask according to the instructions and place it over your eyes. It's an excellent investment for ongoing relief and comfort. Try this warm compress method today and experience relief it can bring. Consistency is key, and with regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your symptoms. If you're struggling with blepharitis, you know how important it is to keep your eyelids clean. One of the most effective ways to do this is through regular eyelid scrubbing. Eyelid scrubbing helps to remove debris, reduce bacteria, and prevent the buildup of oils. You can use a diluted baby shampoo, or for a more convenient and effective option, try specialized eyelid cleansers like Aisoft foam or Aisoft lid wipes. Aisoft foam is easy to use. Just pump a small amount into your fingertips, close your eyes, and gently massage the foam onto your eyelids and lashes. Rinse with water and pat dry. For an even more convenient option, Aisoft lid wipes are pre-moistened and ready to use. Simply wipe your closed eyelids and lashes with a single-use wipe, making sure to clean the base of your eyelashes thoroughly. No rinsing is required. To maintain the best results, perform eyelid scrubbing twice a day, in the morning and before bed. And you can do this prior to doing your warm compress. Regular cleaning can significantly reduce your symptoms and improve your overall eye health. And my recommendation is you do a warm compress first, followed by the lid scrub. Managing blepharitis goes just beyond these external treatments, however. Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact your eye health? Introducing dietary changes can be an important way to reduce inflammation and promote healthier eyes. One of the key players here is omega-3 fatty acids. Imagine incorporating delicious, nutritious foods into your diet and seeing improvements in your blepharitis symptoms. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts can help reduce inflammation and support overall eye health. If you're not getting enough omega-3s from your diet, consider taking a high-quality omega-3 supplement. Just make sure to consult with your doctor before starting any new medications. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals can be easy and enjoyable. Imagine starting your day with a flaxseed smoothie, enjoying a salmon salad for lunch, and snacking on walnuts in the evening. Take control of your eye health by making simple dietary changes. Adding omega-3 rich foods to your diet can help manage blepharitis and improve your overall well-being. Stay consistent and you'll see the benefits. And now for the final tip. In addition to the remedies I've already discussed, there's one more powerful tool that can help with managing blepharitis, and this is hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid is a gentle yet effective antimicrobial solution that can help reduce bacteria on your eyelids and lashes, which is especially beneficial if you have blepharitis. Imagine a solution that's easy to use and can significantly reduce your symptoms. To use hypochlorous acid, Simply spray it onto a clean cotton pad or directly onto your closed eyelids. Gently wipe the base of your eyelashes and eyelids, making sure to cover the entire area. You can use hypochlorous acid twice a day, in the morning and before bed, as part of your regular eyelid hygiene routine. It's safe, non-toxic, and highly effective in keeping your eyelids clean and reducing irritation. Incorporating hypochlorous acid into your daily routine can make a significant difference in managing your blepharitis. I would use this as part of your eyelid wiping and scrub routine. So after the warm compress, I would do lid wipes followed by hypochlorous acid application. So there you have it. 4 simple, effective home remedies that can help you manage blepharitis. Imagine waking up with clearer, more comfortable eyes every day, feeling confident and in control of your eye health. We've covered warm compresses to soothe and loosen debris, eyelid scrubbing options, as well as cleaning solutions like Aisoft foam and lid wipes and hypochlorous acid to keep your eyelids clean, and finally incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet to reduce inflammation. Picture the relief and comfort these simple steps can bring to your daily life. If you're ready to take charge and see real improvement, start implementing these tips today. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy eyes mean a happier you. Take care and see you next time on Eye Health Central.